Our Lord Gorgon protected us.
Who is Gorgon?
Gorgon is king of sea. He protected us.
Us?
Yes, Gorgon not only protected me, but protected whole Oceania, countries like Indonesia, New Zealand, and others. Don't know what's going on a swell.
But how he did that?
I don't know how Lord is doing this.
Tell us, where is that Gorgon?
Yes, we want to meet him.
Gorgon is inside the sea.
So, we can't meet him.
You can.
But how we will breathe inside the ocean?
Gorgon made our ocean mystical. Now we can breathe inside the ocean.
Wow.
Let's not waste time, let's go.
Yes. Wow, we really can breathe in ocean.
Yes, let's find that creature.
What you both are doing here, you are not part of Oceania. You can't enter this location.
We are here because we need your help.
I don't want to help anyone. Just get out from here.
If you don't help, we all will die. Even you.
No one can kill me.
Even Long Wang.
Long Wang. You mean Dragon King Long Wang?
Yes, that bloody Dragon King wants to destroy our planet. Only you can help us, Gorgon.
That Dragon King destroying my planet. Now he wants to destroy this planet. I will not let this happen.
So you will help us?
Yes, I will. But before that, I want to know something. Is there someone else with you too?
No, only we two are here.
I can sense a third person aura as well.
Shout out to